Honda's brake hold system is designed to automatically hold the brakes when stopped, preventing rollback without the driver needing to hold the brake pedal. However, software glitches and hardware malfunctions can cause it to fail. The primary issue involves a firmware bug in the vehicle's control unit that misinterprets sensor data, leading to premature disengagement. Other causes include faulty brake pressure sensors, corroded wiring, or issues with the ABS module. These problems led to recalls between 2022 and 2024, affecting over 2.5 million vehicles globally. Symptoms include unintended rolling, a brake hold malfunction warning light on the dashboard, or the system failing to engage. It's important to understand that while recalls have mitigated many issues, isolated cases may persist due to incomplete repairs or external factors. To diagnose brake hold system issues, first check for warning lights on the dashboard and any unusual vehicle behavior like unintended movement. Next, use an OBD2 scanner to retrieve diagnostic trouble codes that pinpoint specific problems. For fixes, recall repairs include free ECU reprogramming or brake actuator replacement at Honda dealerships. For non-recall issues, try DIY fixes like cleaning sensor contacts or replacing components. Always prioritize professional diagnostics for safety. Prevent problems with regular brake maintenance, avoid aftermarket modifications that interfere with the system, and always engage the parking brake as a backup.